Hey there, today I am going to show you how to earn money from Snack Video. So here is the icon of Snack Video. You just have to download it from Play Store. I will also provide the link in the description below. And then after installing, you have to open it. And here's we have opened it. Now as you see, we are on trending page. At the top of this app, you will see nearby, following, and the trending option. That means the video which is trending on the internet on Snack Video, that video is shown in trending option. After you click it, it will redirect you to trending option, just like this. And if you want to see what your followers are posting, have to click on following, and then you can see your followers are posting. After that, you can also see the nearby, which is located near to your home address. As you can see, it's near to my place 100 meter, and it is 3.8 kilometer, and it is 100 kilometers. So nearby is location based videos, following is your followers content or videos, and trending is which is popular or trending on internet right now. So here's what was our question. Our question was how to earn money from Snack Video. So one of the way is this, that you can see videos like this I am watching now, and at the left corner the coin is just rotating, and it's filling with time, which is creating me coins, and these coins will be converted at 8 am of Pakistan time to the Pakistani rupees. 50 coin is equals to 0.01 cent. So here's my coin 273. After you click on the coin button, here I will show you again, this is coin button. After clicking on this, it will redirect you to this page, which is showing you the amount that you have created and the coins. So here's my coins 273, and here's my rupees in Pakistani currency 15 that I can withdraw. But this was one method. Now let's jump into another. So here's you can see invite friends, invite more, and earn more is the option given by Snack Video. So you can invite your friends by any of the social media, or directly you ask your friends to join Snack Video by putting the following invitation link, which is given in invite new friends and earn money section. After you put your this invitation code into your friends or family member cell phone, you will see that you have earned some reward from invitation. And next thing is, if you are newcomer, then you will be earned from sharing option, which is share this activity with your friends. So I think it will give you two options for initial earning. And daily check-in, it will give you the coins by checking in daily. So these are some options, but at the other hand, there are two main options. So let's see what is that. Now here you can create your own content by clicking on this plus sign or button. I have clicked on it, and it will redirect me to my camera. Now, if you create your own content and you will post it regularly, after 5 videos that you have been posted, you can join creator reward, and but make sure that your content should be trend. If your content won't be trending on internet or snack video, you will not be able to earn money from your content. So here's the key. You have to make content that will shoot on the internet. And on other hand, there is another way by live session. So if you do live session, for live session you have to complete the criteria that will allow you to do live session or live content or live calling, whatever you say. For that option, you should have 10,000 followers. So here it goes for snack video. Thanks for watching.